Unit 110, Introduction, Strategies and Risk.
The saying money makes money is real, but all capital comes from somewhere. An individual with an income can begin capital formation by saving 10% of all income, about $100 each month, at a financially conservative interest rate of 3%. Targeting $1,000 added yearly for 10 years earns a profit of $1,500. The markets, a riskier investment, historically earned 10%, results in a profit of $6,000. Compound interest increases the value of money by using interest as capital. Conservative investors favor low-risk options for steady growth and reliable income. Top low-risk choices include blue-chip dividend stocks, broad market index funds, and government or corporate bonds. REITs and balanced mutual funds add diversification with minimal volatility. High-risk investments promise big gains but can wipe out principal from extreme volatility. Markets can swing 20% up or down in days. Risky opportunities suit young, high-income investors with long horizons that can weather crypto, small-cap stocks, options, leveraged ETFs, venture capital, or speculative real estate. Individuals or investment groups with a high-risk tolerance and no near-term cash needs like the rewards that risk brings. Seasoned investors spread risk across different types of opportunities in low, medium, and high-risk assets so winners can offset losers. Allocation strategies let rising assets offset falling ones. For steady consistency, part of the portfolio should be invested in market-resistant investments. Young or high-earning investors use risky strategies to capitalize on volatile situations, while others may not have time for risk and need to protect their assets. Companies that pay dividends are an indication of stability. Portfolio managers pick dividend stocks for high yields and consistent historical increases. Money managers will reinvest the dividends for the maximum compounded return. So $10,000 for 10 years in the S&P 500 grew to $62,000 with reinvestment versus $46,000 without reinvestment.
Unit 110, Introduction, Strategies and Risk.